welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Halloween dance class, and we're gonna teach you the song called Never Tear Us Apart by Bishop Briggs. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this, we're gonna do it slowly at the same time, continuously. Maybe 2-8, 2-8s, okay? You're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and walk to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8. Next, move back. Next, change 4 counts, walk. My voice. Go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It has extra 4 counts there. And continue, go back. This one start with 1, 2 again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, third, 7, 8. One more time on that part. So here, change 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 9, 10, tap. Yes, my counting is wrong. One more time. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, because this one is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, 7, 8. Okay, it's really hard to move. 7, 8. Continue. 1 and 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go on 4 counts, walk to the back. 1, 2, 3, and the back. Okay? From the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, and walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Next. All right. Next, you jump. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Up on 5, 6, 7, 8, and walk. 1, 2, 3, and close. One more time, that one. So after you walk 4 counts, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, close now. Yes. So boom and tap. From the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 4 counts. 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and hook. Close. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Hook. Tap, tap. Ha, ah, ah. Walk front. Close. Yes. Next. Almost. So from here, this is the beat. Will count that ja 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 ja. You're gonna go ja 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 ja. Got it? One more time. Wow. Ah. Yeah. You have knee problem. So 5, 6, 7, and ja, 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 ja. Let's do it faster. So 5, 6, 7, and ha, 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 cha, cha, cha. Then you need to stay 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Turn, turn. Then up and drop. Then close. Then go up. Yes. So let's try again. Sorry, we don't have count on that one. There's a sound effects. Ja 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 ja. Jag jag. Ja 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 ja. Then close. Okay. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, and ja 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 ja. Then close. Ja ja. Turn and up. Then drop. And close. Then lift. Yes! Good job. Let's try from the beginning. You got it now? Still no. Quiet. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. Count. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop. 7, 8. My count is wrong. 2, 3, 4. Then cha cha cha. And lift. Up. Now shoot. Cha cha. And close. Move back first. Here we go. Cha cha. Lift. Down. Shoot. Shoot. Lift up, turn around, jump, and sorry, I can't move. It's so painful. It's cutting my skin. Okay, good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching on our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments. Okay, happy Halloween. Bye bye.